Hi guys! Today is the launch of the iPhone 16 Pro. Ayan guys, did you see the color? That is called Desert Titanium. Ayan. So I will show you guys how it look like. So this is the display of our Desert Titanium. See? This is the Pro Max, and this one's is the one that they are promoting, the one that you can control for the taking picture, the zoom in and zoom out, camera control. Yeah, and then these are the prices. Yeah, like that. Can you show to us? Yes, see? Oh, amazing. And also this is the iPhone 16 Pro. This is the Pro Max. This is the Pro. And this is the Plus. And this is the 16. So this one, the color is called, this is titanium, right? Titanium. And this color is the pink. And this one, the color is blue. Wow, how nice. And these are the prices, guys. So why not grab today here in Jumbo Galleria? So see, these are the comparison, and I'll show you also guys the new AirPods. So this is the AirPods Pro, AirPods the second gen. There are two types. It's called the AirPods Pro and AirPods Pro with noise cancellation, and this is the AirPods Pro. So guys, this one is a small case like the old AirPods first gen, right? And these are the prices. And this one I will show you the old one. This is the 15. This is the 14 and the 13. See? And we have also guys the new what do you call this, Apple Watch, and these are the colors. So this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and these are the prices. This is the Series 10 now. Series 10. And I'll show you also guys the new what do you call this, AirPods Max. So this is their new one now. See? And this is the color. So it's also very nice guys. It's also like aluminum. So in the color of this, these are the available colors. And this is the price of our AirPods Max. So guys, these are the new launch of the Apple product. So guys, don't forget to grab this here in Jumbo Galleria. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Summer Susie. Bye guys, see you in my next vlog. Bye.